Okay, it's currently 9:55 and I probably should go to sleep soon. So I'll wake up probably 7, very prepared for this. Maybe 7:30, I'm not sure. Alright, see you tomorrow. Alright, just got up, it's like 7 o'clock, 7:06. Got my voice. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. I want to show you this. Firstly, this tube toothpaste is really cursed. Firstly, it opens like that. Secondly, look at the toothpaste. Oh shit! Hopefully I'm doing this well. It's like 8 o'clock. I'm not looking at the camera. Okay, anyway. I probably look so weird. Because I've never really filmed like this in a long time. Anyway, it's like 8 o'clock, so... Yeah, it's been a long time since I updated you, but like... I didn't know what to say. Anyway, what I was trying to say is... I'm going soon. I don't know how to... Okay. Okay, so I found this rubber band while I was walking. I'm just gonna put it there, see if we can get it.
No, it's put in the hole.
Okay, you do it. We'll see if we can get it later. There's our train in the distance. Don't know if you can see that. We missed it. Maybe we could run. You just want it? Okay.
Now arriving at Richmond.
Okay, it's somewhere there. Last time I came here, I didn't show you guys. So yeah. Here it is. Here it is. There it is. Is it open?
Isn't it like...
Yeah, it is open. It's open. So here's everything. Here's everything. There's copyright music playing in the background. That's... But yeah, there's everything. Oh, it's him. It's him. That you saw was RBM Cubing. You may know him from that one time we did a collab together, or from that one time I dissed him about 2x2. Now we are meeting up in real life. This is the story, or the video, of how I met him at speedcube.com.au. Hope you enjoy. Hey, so this is RBM, so hi again.
360 view of me.
Yes, 360 view of you. This thing.
I'm trying an actual good.
This is actually. This is actually. What's this? Hey, DNA.
Wait, let me record. Yes. Let me record.
Can you not show me legs, please? Look at this thing. Can you not show me legs? This is what you see when two cubers literally go crazy in a cube store.
I didn't. Wait. Let's do some intense Brian's on number.
Yes.
Time is weird.
Yeah.
It's broken.
What? It's broken? Like, there's literally everything. Who's the gang? What's this? Aaron. Yeah.
I'm Brian's son. I'm Brian's son.
Please. Hey, look at this. I found the vault. Okay, I think I knew I was gonna get. Oh, what's this? No, this is that. Oh, no.
They changed it.
Look at these guys.
They made it
Sticker mods.
the non-magnetic one have the mailer info scheme.
That's cool.
Wait,
This
I think I have a new OH base.
This is the Axis cube.
See if we can even do OH finger tricks on it.
Lol. Ivy cube. That's an Ivy cube. Look at this. Look at the ball.
Well, let's get an RBM and turn it into cube or something, right?
Huh?
Can you solve it?
What's something he's gonna get jealous about? What's this again? Oh, Goo Hungry Four. This is actually really nice.
This is not an RBM 23.
That's the white one W.
No, that's the RBM 23, but it feels nothing like one.
This is the Goo Hungry Four. This is actually
Oh, I got. Oh, algorithm which I mocked up in the Okay.
Gans Cube, which is my cursed ring. GTS 3 with ridges. Thunderclap V3.
I'm Cubiton.
Yes, do your V for am I right? Tengen V2.
This is a really loose RC.
Marshmallow.
It's not really a marshmallow until you set it up. But
What's it? Hopefully, this is long. Is this Melon again? No, that's the Wu-Ray. I'm actually trying.
There's really no point in bringing my cube. I can just try.
Okay, so I'm planning to get one fiber phone. Here's one magic. This, no, not these yet. See what this one's in. This Mail 5M or EMS. Which one? Comment down below which one you think I'll get. So, need the Yushi.
It's very.
Is it Yushi? I think it is.
It's very cursed.
Oh no. I have
I'll solve
no
it,
idea
don't
what this
worry.
is. That's the MBT. Okay. That's the Yushi. Okay. Which one's that? I think such a hard this is inside the.
What jam? Is this like a
This is
249?
249! Oh my god.
It's so tiny. Imagine making it.
Yeah, oh my god, that is just
My friend has
even
one.
worse than. I have no idea. The MS5 or the Mail 11 but I mean, I have the 234 of this, I have the 23 Hero of this.
Oh, I just figured out. Oh, wait, what?
Oh, this is actually good. I seriously count the side. Oh my god. Wait, let's look at the
The
price.
vault feels so different.
Perfect 2450.
Ooh, we should try the vault. This one on the shop is pretty good.
2250.
Why is it so slow?
I might get this one.
Wait, let me show you my
It's
vault.
not funky. The best of them.
You just like.
I can't decide.
Wait.
This is like kind of deciding to remain at home, except.
Okay, I locked up.
Okay, I'm gonna solve this. The Master
Solve
Morphics.
that. Sorry, solve that again.
I'm gonna solve the Master Morphics. AK Cubing.
Sell fidget spinners.
AK Cubing.
Those
I want
actually
this.
do.
I need
Because
this.
they kill them.
New main fidget spinner main.
Yeah.
They kill
I
them.
did use that on the comp. Okay, you ready?
Shaking like an earthquake.
First pair.
Here we go. First
Wait,
pair.
I need to
This
fix.
looks so professional. Yeah, that's so cool. You'll solve in the vault away after.
I have look ahead Cubiton.
You have look ahead. Oh, S move. J-pen. J-pen.
12. Okay, 12.
It says 8.
Bro, 12.
Okay, yeah, I know.
Oh, whatever.
This is just some fun.
Okay.
Okay, do something to 10 young.
FT Prime. Ah,
Yeah, I should probably do. I might want to do something.
this is weird.
This looks so professional.
EO.
Because we are professional.
Bruh.
Oh no!
That's why I don't do the MUU pound. That's like literally why I don't do it.
Oh my god. And you fam again!
Yeah. Don't you dare upload that. Okay, now your turn. Dude, that was a 22 actually. Yeah. Intense music. Do I have better look at it? I don't know. Okay, yeah, that was just a bad solve, right? Or you just suck. I don't know. That was just a bad solve. Hey, what was that?
So that's 19.
90. Oh, sub 20, I guess,
Sub
yeah.
20. Okay, let's try to not take V2.
The Guhong V2. The V4. I don't like the Tengen, I like the Volk 3. Here we go.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, I can see a pair.
This is
Bruh, there's a pair right there. Solve
Yeah.
it. Oh, you have none caught. Oh, nice intuitive F12. I mean, you got good TPS, that's fine. Oh, 2 look. What's that
19
time?
again.
19.
Okay, just.
Get sub 15.
I can plan all the cross actually, but there's a rotation. I guess it's alright.
Sorry. It's too close. Oh. Okay, you have like a pretty similar. No, oh, you're gonna get a diag. Oh no, you didn't get a diag.
Sorry, that's a different one. The wrong way. Oh no! No. Race that!
20! Poggers.
No.
Wait, let me get a sub 10 here. That would be cool. But I have to like get a little. What cube is this? Buckle. It was my dream cube, but like I probably just had bad TPS. Diag? Yeah, I knew it. E-perm.
Come on, that was so good.
15. Okay, wait. We were in main contender for JJ Cubo. Let's see. You're getting like the same F12. Hey!
Oh no!
Oh, Anthem. I thought it was a PLL skip. Okay, let me try it. JDQ just got parody on 3x3.
What the hell?
Wait, do PLL parody on it. It's just MTU2, MTU2, MTU2.
Yeah.
What do you get?
Yeah, same thing.
Oh, okay. I'm a Chi fan, I think. I like their cubes. Let's go, Jacob. Let's go. Can I say Jacob in your video? In my video? Jacob.
Yeah,
Oh my god. Oh, in F12, that's pretty.
Oh!
Dude, that was a pretty easy oval. Oh, you got the nice one. Poggers. Just use LED for that. Or whatever. Okay. 26. Nice time.
Yeah, look at that. Look at this corner cutting.
Nice one.
Yeah, it's definitely the best cube. Am I right? Wait, look at the NGCLA.
Wait, let me try the mail on NGCLA.
NGCLA, you can do it.
What? The mailing is good.
Is it? And here's
I can't do the signature fledged thing.
look at this Tanyan.
Look at
It's too tight.
You get
The Tanyan's tight, but you loosen it, it's good. The Volk.
Look at this.
What the hell? The Mailong. I already have that. 249. Can I do it? Like reverse bar cutting is at least decent. Okay, I just finished getting my cubes. Now I'm gonna go out of here soon. So comment down below what you think I got. I'm gonna post the unboxing video like tomorrow or something like that. I don't know. Oh, should we do the unboxing with? Alright, I guess we're going now.
Okay.
Alright.
We're going now.
Thank you. Okay. We're out now. It's sunny now. Last time it was raining.
We're gonna go now. This is really weird.
This is so sad.
So depressing.
So depressing.
I got 3 cubes.
Yeah. I
got cubes.
think those were more birthday presents. Bye, RBM. Bye. Sauce.
Right, no, I'm gonna get RBM.
Oh, where's mine? This one's mine.
Where's me? Oh yes, the yellow one.
Whoa, okay. So, he's doing this now.
Okay, I'm not doing anything.
So then you must get this. 43 seconds. Okay, don't. Go for it. Go.
Shut up.
Hi guys, I thought I'd end the video like this rather than putting my voice in front of a black screen. So, thanks for watching the video. If you want to guess the 4 cubes and 1 cubing related stuff but not actually a cube, put them in the comments below. And I'm not even joking when I say this. If you guess the full set, I'm going to give you a $20 gift card, $20 USD gift card. Like, seriously. And yeah, shout out to RBM. His link will be in the description as well. He also made a video, obviously, and he's got a lot more clips of me doing solves and stuff. So yeah, if you want to check that out, link in the description as well. Alright, see you tomorrow.